Hello class. You should have just completed your matching game, and you should now be on the page of the website that says Learn and then Choose. This is the last part of the lesson, and for this I will have you look at a chart and then do an activity. So as you can see, the chart will look like this, and it looks very similar to the chart that I had you fill out earlier, except this chart is going to explain the physical characteristics of each animal. So this chart includes every animal that was on your last chart. And make sure you scroll all the way down and you don't miss the second page. But this will explain the size of each animal, the number of legs each animal has, as well as if it has wings or not. So for the size, it'll either say small, medium, or big, as you can see here. For number of legs, they'll either have 2 or 4. Make sure you know that. And then for wings, it'll either say yes or no, if they have wings or not. So I want you to go through the chart and just make sure you know each one. And after you have done that, I want you to scroll down, and it's going to have you submit a small essay here. By essay, I mean a couple sentences. So first, I need you to put your first and last name in these boxes. And here, I want you to type about your favorite animal that you've learned about. So for example, if your favorite animal is a pig, then you would choose a pig. And I want you to tell me everything that you've learned about the pig today. So you can talk about their habitat, their size, their sound, what they eat, anything you want to talk about. I want you to type it here, and then I want you to hit submit. And then after you do that, you will be done with the website, and that's all you have to do. Thank you.